Hi, I wanted to talk to you today about something that has happened to some of our clients recently. Even if you are not a KTL Performance Mortgage client, if you've ever applied for a home loan or a car loan with any other company, this is information that may be useful to you as well. So what has happened recently for some of our clients is they've applied for a home loan, and within a day or so they've gotten a call from a company, and I don't know that these companies that are calling them are necessarily lying, but I do believe they are being very vague and trying to make the person who applied for the home loan believe they are calling from KTL Performance Mortgage. So in one situation that recently happened, somebody was pre-approved and this company called and said, hey, we want to lock in your interest rate, and we're trying to get information from them. In another situation, somebody had applied and this company called and said, hey, we're following up on your application. We needed to go ahead and get your application fee. We don't charge an application fee. We never charge any information or any payments up front. So really what this is other mortgage companies that are trying to get your business. And again, I do believe they are being vague enough to try to make you think it is who you applied with, which would be KTL Performance Mortgage. So how are they getting this information? When you apply for a home loan, we go in and pull your credit. We go through a credit reporting agency to get your credit report, but that credit report comes from the 3 credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So Performance Mortgage, we are never going to sell your information. The credit bureaus that we go through, they are never going to sell your information. We are never sharing your information with anybody else. But those 3 credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, which are the 3 ones in the country, those are the 3 main bureaus, they do sell your information. They sell something called trigger leads, which is basically there could be this third-party mortgage company out there and they buy a list of anybody who has applied for a mortgage recently. So they will take that list, they will call you, and they will try to get your information and try to, I believe, try to make you think that you are talking to KTL Performance Mortgage who you applied with. So there's a couple things that you can do to try to keep yourself from getting tricked. Again, this is all legal. They are allowed to sell your information. It's nothing we have control over. If we could stop it, we would. But again, it is those 3 main bureaus that they sell that information. So one of the things you can do, if somebody does call you after you've applied, ask them to identify where they're calling from, because I don't think that these companies would lie to you. I think they will just be vague to try to kind of trick you. So ask where they're calling from, verify what the company name is. If you are already working with a loan officer, ask them, who asked you to call me? What's the name of my loan officer? At KTL, we do have a team environment, so there could be other people from the company calling. You may, talk to Destiny the first time you call, and then somebody else may call afterwards to try to update some of your information. But again, they should be able to tell you what the loan officer is that you've already worked with. If you ever have any doubts, you ever are thinking this just doesn't seem right, just say, hey, what's a number I can reach you back at? If that number is not our company number, then I think, this is somebody trying to follow up on those trigger leads. So our phone number, 937-548-8222. That is our main office line. 877-892-8222. That is our 800 number. And 765-273-4711. Those are the number to our Richmond office. So when in doubt, hang up the phone and call us right back. We are more than happy to have you call us back if you're at all worried that somebody is trying to trick you. So if you've ever wondered how, you apply for an insurance policy and then you suddenly start getting all these calls about insurance, or you start getting things in the mail about insurance, this is why. Trigger leads that the credit bureaus sell. So I hope that helps. Again, if anything ever seems suspicious, hang up the phone and just give us a call back directly, and we can make sure that you're getting the right information. So again, hopefully, even if you're not a KTL Performance Mortgage client, if you are applying for a mortgage with anywhere else, I hope this helps you to not get led astray by another company that may be trying to get your business, especially if you have the company that you want to go through. So have a great day, and we are here to help however we can. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.